education.
Women in our society are as important as men. In fact, men and women make it possible for society to exist and progress. Men and women are the two parts of a whole. One is incomplete without the other. As Holy Quran said, وَخَلَقْنَاكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا, and we have created you in pairs. Holy Quran. The existence of one without the other would be colorless and boring. The need of one for the other is as great that it was honored even in heaven when Eve was created for Adam. Moreover, the union of both is necessary for human survival. Besides, they both are the source of joy and comfort for each other. It is said that man is crown of the universe, but it is woman who adorns this crown with her charms. O fairest of creation, last and best of all God's workers. Milton asserts, the position of women in our society is one of the whole, is not very satisfactory. Most of our women living in the village are uneducated and inactive like the village men. They do not have many of rights that the men enjoy in village society. Very few women enjoy independent position as owners of land or property. They depend on their husbands and other men looking after their families. But for the welfare of a state, education of the woman is necessary. Equality is necessary for progress. In Islamic society, women are treated with utmost honor. She has the honor of being mother, or a wife, or a sister, or a daughter. No other religion gives her much importance as in Islam does. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said in his last address, as the Muslims to treat women and the slaves kindly. As a mother, she enjoys mother's honor. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, verily, the heaven lies under the mother's feet. In cities, most of the women enjoys the opportunities of education. They take part in every kind of activities. They are allowed to go to college, offices and universities. They even can compete with men in elections. In many countries of the world, women have proved their skills. The liability of the woman is concerned, they should allow to take part in all kinds of political, social, economic and cultural activities, but they not violate the basic principles of Islam. It does not forbid them to get education and work for the progress of the country. Mufti Ilyas Qadri has rightly said, Islam provides protection to the woman by inflicting the limitations. The limitations are undoubtedly for the protection of women. In advanced countries like Japan, Germany, and France, women enjoy a very respectful position. They can freely reserve education and can choose the profession according to their own taste. They are working in the same way as the men. In history, there are many examples. Hazrat Khadija Radhiyallahu Ta'ala Anha was the richest businesswoman of the Mecca. Woman can do whatever she wants and strives to do. Holy Quran has said, لَيْسَ لِلْإِنسَانَ إِلَّا مَا سَعَى, and verily there is nothing for a human except for what she strives for. Government should take steps for the welfare of the village women. Colleges should be built in the village to educate women. We should give enough facilities to our women to work in the fields of life. Village women should find it easy to work in village farms. Chances should be given to the village women to come in cities to work, study, as it is the basic human right. Our Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, has said, it is obligatory for every Muslim to get education. The government should take steps to improve the food and water in cities and give the equal rights to the women as that of men. Thanks for watching.